Hello, in this video we're going to be proving the change of basis formula for logarithms. Now this formula says that if we have log base a, b, this is equal to the natural log of b over the natural log of a. So to prove this, we're going to first let log base a of b equal x. Now this means that a to the x equals b by the definition of logarithms. Now what we're going to do is we're going to apply the natural log to both sides. So we're going to have ln a to the x equals ln b. Now we're going to, with the power law of logarithms, we can bring this x down. So we have x ln a equals ln b. And then we could divide by ln a on both sides. So we get x equals ln b over ln a. And obviously remember that x is equal to log base a b. Now this statement here is a specific example. We've chosen the natural logarithm, so log base e. But naturally, in this step here, we could have taken the log base anything of both sides. So really, we could also say log base a of b is equal to log base c of b and log base c of a, where c is just any number that isn't 0 or 1 or anything silly. And also notice another specific example of this. Because log base a b is ln b over a, you could also say that log base b to a is equal to ln a over ln b. And so you can also notice that log a b is equal to 1 over log base b to the a. So there are many corollaries to this specific result. So thank you for watching. Any questions, leave them down in the comments.